Updating your legal profile on Seismic is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the icerock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or menu option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile information. In your profile settings, look for an option to edit your information. This may include sections for your name, contact details, practice areas, and other relevant legal qualifications. Make the necessary changes. Step 4. Review and save changes. After updating your information, carefully review all changes to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, look for a Save or Update button to apply the changes to your profile. Step 5. Confirm updates. After saving, log out and log back in to verify that your updates have been successfully applied. Check that all information displays correctly on your profile. By following these steps, you can keep your legal profile on Seismic up to date. Regular updates ensure that clients and colleagues have access to your most current information.